going on, guys? We're doing another video tonight. This one, we're going to be replacing the brake booster on my 1972 Buick Skylark. We haven't made a video of this car yet, but I've had it for like a year now, and it's been fun. I've daily driven it quite a bit, but the brakes kind of started getting funky on me, and so I've been a little less hesitant, or a little more hesitant to drive it. But man, the paint looks really good on camera. But it's not a show car. Some old guy had this thing at one point and drove it a lot. I mean, it's got rust and in some weird spots. Florida rust on cars is bad, but it's really original. It's a 350 Buick 2-barrel and an automatic. But yeah, so we're just gonna replace the brake booster on it. Hopefully that helps everything. And that's it. Cool? Mm-hmm. Ready to rock and roll?
I'm ready to rock and roll.
Let's do it. Alright guys, so we got the hood off just to make it easier because it kind of seems like it's going to be a pain and we don't want to hit our heads a bunch. Cody's getting all the bolts picked up, which is probably a good idea. Yeah, getting all those off down there, I guess it won't be too bad. Just get some wrenches. Alright, so we'll need some open ends for that backside there.
Ooh, cool. Alright, this right here is how you take this off. You've got one little clip right here, and that should be it. Should just bend over. Might need to grab a flathead. Or your fingers, you know. Yep, I'm gonna grab a flathead.
There she goes. Press tires.
Most series don't show you the struggle of trying to find the right wrench that works, has the right angle on it, trying to try deep wheels, shallow wheels, you know, all to get in tight little areas like this right here. Adam looks so happy.
Mm-hmm.
You have any advice?
Oh, just keep pressing forward and try and think of better ideas to get it out the right way.
Yeah, we're removing this brake booster right there. But we'll get her. Just gotta keep pressing on.
Cool.
You happy now?
Yep.
Would you?
Some spiders?
No, I'm good. Those spider eggs, that just doesn't seem fun.
Cool. That wasn't that bad.
Those 4 studs were holding it on.
Yep. Cool. Let me see the camera. Alright, so let's compare the new booster to the old one. This is nothing fancy. It's literally a cheap one from O'Reilly's, just because I didn't feel like wasting time ordering one. Here. Any of that good stuff. Keep that box.
Now you tell me.
We gotta keep it for a core charge. That's a
Oh.
$16 core charge.
What if we want to keep that for a spare?
You're a hoarder.
And?
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
So we gotta take this off, swap it over.
It does look a little different.
That's the only thing.
Well, I think these are a little bit taller. And this is different.
Yeah, that just screws right off.
Okay, cool. let's get to swapping them up. Well, we'll make sure.
Looks about the same.
We got that part right there stuck on the end of it because we need it to go on here. So trying to get some heat going to it and try and get it off.
After a little heat, she comes right on. Really don't want to touch it.
Oh yeah, she's hot. We got some pliers. Oh, we got pliers.
You want to grab her and twist her off? Bitch won't. What's up, guys? So, want to show you a little bit outside the shop to put some daylight out. Tell me what you think. Adam picked out the colors. He's just kind of like that, you know. He's got that gene in him. He's good at colors. But this is the front of the shop with a 10x10 roll-up door. We got the regular door. We got the window. We're gonna put some more windows in the side. Let me show you the side right now. We still have a little bit of touch-up paint we got to do, but this is it. 16 foot tall, 20 by 30. So let me know what you think. It still needs a little bit more paint in here and there, touching up, but I think she looks pretty. I like it. All right, well, it's starting to rain and we're gonna go inside. Woo! Dry, no leaks. It's a good day.
Alright, so we're getting the last couple nuts on our brake booster tightened, and it should be good after that. We might have to do some adjusting at the rod underneath the dash, but it should be good. Hook up the vacuum line here. And that should be it. So now we'll start it up and see if it works right.
You happy with it so far?
Yeah, that wasn't as bad as I thought. Some of these, just the spots on them were bad, and I was worried that if they were stuck, it'd be really, really hard to get them off, but so far it wasn't too bad. Cool. Alright, so this is the part where I feel stupid or uneducated because it turns out the booster was fine, most likely, because I have the same problems before. The pedal it feels good for a couple of pumps and then it just loses all pressure. So what that tells me is that there's an internal leak inside the master cylinder. And we've called around to parts stores and the only one that has it is about 20-minute drive away. And we just want to get this over with, so we're gonna make the trek. So we're gonna go get that and be back and put this thing on and hopefully have no more problems.
Yeah.
Let's roll. Alright, so we are back from the parts store. We have our new master cylinder that hopefully will fit. So we're going to pull the old one off, drain all the fluid out of it, put this one on, bleed the system, and we should be good to go. What are you doing, crazy dogs? Alright, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and pull the old one off and put this one back on. Alright, so that was a little bit of a, issue?
Yep.
Problem? So So we got the new master cylinder on and the brake booster, even though I really don't think that the brake booster needed replaced, which is disappointing, but we just decided to leave it on there because it's on and, you know, who knows. But we got the brakes bled, which was kind of a pain, but we just kind of bled each of them until we were getting some good fluid and there was pressure on the brake pedal, so it should be fine now. We tightened up a couple belts that I didn't know were loose. What else? Is that all we did?
That's about it. A lot of bleeding.
Yeah, a lot of our time was bleeding. So yeah, for now we're gonna take a test drive. So
With the hood off.
well, yeah, with the hood off. So
Race car.
join us.
The coolest feature of this car is this right here. The flip down license plate gas lid.
Reaction, no, but at least you're happy.
72. All right, everyone. Well, we're calling it a night. That's a wrap on the Buick. We got the hood back on. The brakes are all situated. It stops and runs great. But I'm sure we'll be working on it again sometime in the near future
When it breaks down.
when it breaks down.
So if you like this, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you don't like it, just give us a thumbs down. Tell us what we need to fix. Alright, catch you on the next episode.